Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here at the carving yard getting ready to carve another first. Customer's looking for a golden retriever laying down, and the back will be a table. So we're gonna end up adding a piece for the back to make like a nice tabletop out of some other wood. We will end up piecing this together. This is gonna be like a platform it sits on, the body, and then I'm gonna add a piece up for the neck, and then we'll add a nice piece of wood for the back. Now, I'm gonna be straightforward with you guys. I have pulled some muscles from like bicep into forearm area, and yeah, so I'm dealing with that. But we're gonna see if we can't get this project done, and hopefully take a little rest after that. But we'll see. We've got some on-site carvings coming up. We got some work going. You know, all you can really do is just keep gripping and ripping. I appreciate you guys being here. Be sure to check out that merch tab before you go. It's that store, little shopping bag. Big shout out to all my members. You guys rock. Really appreciate you guys. Channel's been growing. Also, if you haven't already, check out Kyle's Chainsaw Rescue, my other channel where we're working on saws and small engines. With that, let's start making some sawdust. Hey, appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're still here hanging out and enjoying it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. when you do hit that bell and hit all so you don't miss future uploads. Also, if you want to learn how to chainsaw carve, I got a full beginner's tutorial playlist, 2 camera angles, step by step, walk you through creating your first pieces and taking them up a notch. Really appreciate it, guys. Big shout out to my members. Thank you so much for helping support the channel directly, and enjoy. Alright guys, so this is not quite the finished piece. So I was thinking this was done, but after, looking at the eyes a little bit more, decided to do a change on those. So that's coming up so you guys can see what those eyes looked like complete. Had some issues with the GoPros though, finishing up, so the rest of the filming here is just with my phone. Let me know what you guys think so far though, right? I mean, we're almost done with this piece in this video.
If you're still here, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all so you don't miss any future uploads. Big shout out to all my members. I appreciate you guys. So here we've kind of changed. We've added some eyelids. Those eyebrows are pretty high in the back, but we go through and end up reshaping them down so a little bit softer. The dog's a little bit more, has that more of a kind look. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The customer was really happy, and this was a fun piece. Appreciate you guys watching.